So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can take any e-com store and just their domain and find out all of the Google ads that they're running, pull one of the text ads as an example, and turn that text ad into a personalized line for a cold email or a cold LinkedIn message that basically references the ads that they're currently running and does a poke the bear question, asking if they're currently happy with their ROAS. So obviously this is really good for any Google Ads agencies who are trying to get more clients, but it's probably got some applications in B2B SaaS and some other situations as well. And before I start, quick shout out to Noah Gill, because I learned some of the Appify stuff from his YouTube video. So where do you start? You need to sign up for Appify to start with, and just go to Appify store and search for Google Ad Scraper. It's going to be this one, the one with, 1.4K users. Click start. There's a 1-day free trial, but if you want to keep on using this, it's $30 a month. And you'll come here to manual, and all you need to do is just select residential, select the maximum amount of results you want to do. I've actually done 2, not 5, because when you have 5, it's a little bit messy. And then you just click JSON and you'll see the link here. It's given me a separate link. This is what I learned from Noah's video, is you actually need this link. This one's better because it will show anytime. So any of the ads that they've run anytime in the US, or just change that to your country, sorry. And then you need to insert their domain in there. So copy this link, come into Clay, and do a formula column, which is this one, formula. Where the formula's gone. Well, yeah, you just add a formula column. I'll show you now. Yeah, so just press that, add the formula in, and the formula you need is just this. So you're literally just pasting that link in and replacing the domain with a normalized domain. And a normalized domain is just one without like www at the start or HTTP, just the domain itself. And then that formula will turn all these links into the correct links to bring you to their actual Google Ads library. And then you just need to set up Appify. So to do this, there's actually an integration already in Clay. You can just press add enrichment and just type down Appify, and run Appify actor. And then when you're in there, all you need to do is click on here, edit column, and you need to add in your Appify actor. So press add account. That will ask you to name it and then put your API key. To get your API key, just go to integrations and then click on use API client, and it should give you your API key there. Obviously, I don't want to show mine right now. And then from there, you just need to add in this JSON here. So you can just pause the video, copy and paste this, and just replace the URL with the link that you've generated in that formula. Other than that, that's everything you need there. And then when you start running it, you'll start to see results coming through. So if they're not running ads, it will just give 0. If they are, it will give 2, or maybe 1. And the results will look like this. So there'll be 2 separate packets. Here is text, and then the variations where the actual content is are in here. So here's the actual text ads. And then this other one, let's see what they're running here. So that's a video ad. Yeah, so basically what I was doing is I'd just come in, I'd add in the headline and the description of both the variations, and then I'd add in the headline, the format, and the variations of the other one as well, so that we've got some video ads, some text ads. And then what I'd do is I'd run another formula here, but a column, like a checkbox formula. And this is what I use. So check the box if results, which is the like if there was any ads found, contains more than 0 results. So we only want to check it if they're actually running ads, and either format 2 or format 1, just or normal format is text. So we want to make sure they're actually running a text ad. And so that's done that there. And so these are the guys who are actually running text ads. As you can see, if they're just doing video, it won't check it, or image, it won't check it. Obviously, if you want to include them, you can change this, but this is just for this example. And then in here, this is where we're actually generating the personalized first line. So I've said, if the format is text, like if this first format is text, use this headline and this description. If the second format is text, use those headlines and descriptions. Just because, as you can see, sometimes the first format is video and second is text, or in other cases, the first format is text and second is video. So I want to make sure that I'm including everyone in there. And if they're both text, just pick one to use. When you have picked one, pick them, turn them into a first line for an email that follows this structure. Saw your Google text ad about insert short summary of ad, and thought it would be relevant to ask if you're happy with your current ROAS. So that's basically like a poke the bear question, because most of the time no one's ever truly satisfied with their ROAS. And then output the first line and nothing else. Then I've just given it some context. So you're a Google ad specialist who has seen someone's Google text ads and is now reaching out to them about the ad they saw. And then I've given it an example as well, with prompting, like, if you're not getting the result you want, try literally just adding 3 examples, and I guarantee it will change the output completely. So I've just given it one here, with these guys, and yeah, just given an example of what I actually want. And then in here, I've done a conditional run, so just only run if the checkbox is checked, so they're actually running ads. And then I've just run that, and as you can see, the results have been pretty good. So try this one. Saw your Google text ad about nature-made turmeric cumin's antioxidant benefits and thought it'd be relevant to ask if you're happy with your current ROAS. Let's try another one. Saw your Google text ad about achieving the perfect combination of juicy smoked meats and top-tier flavor with master built, and thought it would be relevant to ask if you're happy with your current ROAS. So yeah, very personalized. I mean, you can do a lot more than this. You can then enrich these companies, these e-com stores, and actually find the decision makers as well. But I just wanted to show you how to use Appify, because not many people know how to use it. Cool. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you're interested in us building similar workflows for you, you can book a discovery call with me with the link below, and we can see if we'd be a good fit. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching the video.